Alright guys, good morning guys. Trying catching guys in the Smiling Gulf guys, but I catching one. Yeah, after this there be leaving already guys, 6 o'clock. But Papa Jerry, the first time I'm trying fishing this place, and this is the price guys. The 2 pounds of the mallet guys. Look at him. See, we have 2 fishermen, and we have left side the beautiful fisherman too. Is it? And this is my bucket, and this is Mr. B, my line, and this big mallet guys. It's big, over 2 pounds guys, 100% over 2 pounds. Right? This is it. I love you, mama. Continuous na tayo guys. See guys, long way. See the camera cannot. Right? As you see, we have already one. Let's go. What's that, guys? What's this? This is it. I want to catch this one, guys. Right, enjoy lang. Fat, very fat. Talapia. More talapia. Good size talapia, more. Enjoy lang, Papa Jerry. Enjoy lang. Contest natin guys kung how many pieces I catching today. Alright guys, time to go home. Go pass by first in the Atolay place guys. Yeah, because my cell phone is already off. I put inside the car and then I'm talking outside. Very far to my car. This time I go home, and I try to fishing that place in the Smiling Gulf, but I only catching maputi, and that policeman, I think he told me, Papa Jerry, you cannot fishing this place. Oh, but I already catching guys. And asking the fishing derby, I can join the fishing. But I don't have boat. But he said no, cannot. Papa Jerry only in the shore derby, okay. But this time is the boat, okay. But I already catching a big mga puti, and also I think I catch 3 maputi and 2 pounds mallet guys. Yeah, and also the talapia. I catching talapia guys. Yeah, and you get tilapia. Catching Papa Jerry. Yeah. Woohoo! Yeah, I take the video guys, but I did loading maybe. I pick up my wife 2 o'clock because I drop my wife 5 o'clock in the hospital. She's working in the night time. In the morning time I come back like 2 o'clock, but maybe I take in the video that who's the winning. Yeah. Okay. And shout out everybody guys. Shout out sa inyo lahat dyan. Thank you for watching guys. I love you, Mr. B, and Mami Linda, and Anita Tumboy in Sacramento, California guys. Don't forget to subscribe guys. Like and subscribe please. Please support your YouTube channel for Papa Jerry guys. Let's go. Time to go home guys. Oh, I pass by first in the Atolay. Maybe I take the short video there. Okay, let's go there, bro. Let's go. Woo hoo. Alright guys, this is it. Guys, this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 talapia guys. And 3 maputi. See, the tilapia is still alive. because after that I take it the video of the Maputi Derby, guys, in this morning after I drop my wife in the 5 o'clock in the hospital, and then I go straight to the Derby. I taking the video, and then after that she's starting 6 o'clock, and then like 6:40 I trying fishing, guys, in the Smile Gold, but according to the policeman, Papa J, you cannot fishing this side, you can fishing another side. That's why I stopped fishing, guys. And this is my catching, and this one still alive, guys. Another place at least I catching this tilapia, guys. It's a lot tilapia there. Next time I trying to catching this tilapia. Okay, shoutout you guys. In continuous ko lang tong video. Galing ako sa dun sa Atulayan. Still a lot of the atulay, guys. Okay, continuous ko, guys, because I want to make how many pounds again this one, maybe over 1 pound. Right, let's go, guys. I want to make how many pounds this one. Okay. Alright. Okay, guys. I want to know this one, how many pounds. I think this one, guys, for me, like 1.5 pounds. Yeah, this size. Huh? See? Right? For me, see? Right, guys, almost 2 pounds. 1.5. Huh? Right? Big size, guys. Yeah. Alright. Thank you for watching, guys. Love you, guys. See you soon. Another my video, guys. Excuse me lang.